This is the other bathroom upstairs, DIYs. The second one upstairs, and there's one downstairs. But yeah, pull off my tape gently. You got to be, with black grout, you got to be so careful. Black grout in a brand new house when it's getting built is alright, but in an existing home, not that good. Not a good idea. Still, it can be done. Don't touch the ceiling. Get that with a dry cloth. That felt a little bit rough, so I can't have wiped it off properly. So I'll wipe the three of them off, and then I'll get all my tools downstairs and give all the floor a wipe. Bit of glue on the surface. You just use the back of your Stanley knife. Clean those tiles up. Bit of glue. What's that? Don't know. You got to try and get it as clean as you can, because you can't, once you've siliconed and your silicone is fresh, you can't wipe off any black marks, because if it touches your silicone while it's still wet, you're in trouble. Alright, when it's dry, but then with a white silicone, but this is going to be black, so it's not too bad. Like my scraper, I just got it this morning. When it wears down, it grows back, which is incredible. Replaces itself. Goodly doodly. Once I've given it a polish up with a clean cloth, a dry clean cloth, it'll come up nice. Okay, I'll carry on wiping off here. We'll see you soon.